I eat meat. But I have just arrived to a place where I don't need it. This is Tel Aviv, Israel. It's the city that is considered the vegan capital of the world because in this city, 200,000 people are
Vegan.
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 I am a vegan.
It's the highest percentage in the world of vegans, which means in this city there are hundreds of restaurants that use no eggs, no meat, no milk, no animals.
Just plants.
And I'm not exaggerating when I say that it's delicious.
You like it, Nash? He can't even speak, that's how much he loves it.
Instead of chicken, they eat mushrooms, beef, artichokes, milk, coconuts, and meat is from mushrooms.
And this burger is vegan.
In the city of Tel Aviv, people don't hate meat. They just made so much delicious vegan food that you don't even need to eat meat. That's 1 minute.